Welcome everyone, Belagos TV here. Today we're going to talk about a loose but very frequently used term in goat panning called seasoning your pan or seasoned pan. No, not that kind of seasoning. Here is the difference between good and bad. And my mission today is, of course, to show you how to get to the good. The main reason is so that goat doesn't slide down the smooth plastic surface, as most brand new goat pans are very smooth. However, for goat, that's not good, and by seasoning it, you create a grippy surface that will prevent you from losing some goat. There are two main ways, sandpaper and some good old gravel material. First, I'll show you the sandpaper way. As you see on screen, just need to grab a little piece and start sanding the surface of the pan until it's all scratched up. Could be a larger grade, but any type of sandpaper usually should work. That is also the less messy way. And the second way is with gravel. If you have any left over, just scrape a few tablespoons, dump it down in your pan, and get at it. You might want to put on a glove and do it over something that can collect any gravel that falls off, as it will. After some rigorous scrubbing and smashing of rock and plastic, after a couple of minutes, not even, you will get the desired effect. Make sure you cover all the surface. And there you have it, a well-seasoned pan. Now, it's a must thing to do before putting any pay dirt in your pan, just to make sure you're not losing it. Also helps having a few pans around ready to go, just in case if you need to classify your materials. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and comment if you will, please. And another video is coming soon. See ya!